Hey everyone, welcome to Maker Tales. Today I am taking on Fusion 360 for the first time. I have never touched it. I've only spent the last hour and a half looking at very few tutorials to understand how the fundamentals, super fundamentals of the program work. Just to give you a background, I have worked with Rhino, Maya and Blender before, but I've never touched Fusion 360. So let's get straight into it, where I'm going to be creating a 10mm by 10mm by 10mm cube, along with a mug, because this is the same test that I give my VR sculpting programs. So if you want to go check out what I do in VR and how I sculpt there and how I review them, go check out wherever the little bookmark will come up from here. But let's get straight into it. I will try and make this as least painful as possible. If you make it to the end of the video, thanks. If not, I understand this first hour is going to be painful. So also keep in mind, I will be doing another few more videos to go with the Fusion 360, which will be the 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 6 and 1 year after. And all those links to the videos will be down in the description, so you can see the progression that I've made after this first painful hour. Anyway, that's enough of me talking, let's get straight into it. Alright, so I'm inside Fusion 360 and I literally have no idea what I'm doing. How do I move? Is it... Okay, here we go. Okay, so that's holding down the middle right mouse button, right mouse, third button, pan, tilt, zoom. Does this do anything? I am not used to these. Oh, I don't like moving with the right mouse button. Is there a different way to set up movement? Because if so, that's going to be very useful for me. Let's see if I can change that. Okay, well immediately I can't see it that quickly, so I know that that's panning. Let's go for, this is the front, let's take that view there. So I've been told I've got to go from the origin, hide this. So we're going to create our first 10mm by 10mm cube. Start simple, Jonathan. Start simple. That's what you've got to do. So why am I not seeing the origin now? Wow, I really do not know what I'm doing at all. It's really weird. Starting from scratch again. Okay, just getting a hold of the navigation first, because that is quite fundamental. Let's go to where the front is, up here. So, right. So, why? Oh, because the hierarchy I am. Alright, makes sense, makes sense. It's called top-down modeling, apparently, but I don't really know this layout that well. So, everything works with sketches, apparently, so I've been told on a plane I can right-click, sketch, select the plane. Am I being silly here? I'm being very silly, because I don't understand. Apparently, let's just go create sketch on this plane, and then there is sketch. There's all these ones, but I've been told there's also, if I press S, and there's that there, ooh, S, and I want to have, is it 3? What do they call this? They call that 2-point rectangle, so I want 3 point Alright. I have to throw everything out and start again. I'm going to go for center point because apparently everything should be center on here. So I'm going to go here, click, bring that out. That's quite big. And then because it's blue, it means that it doesn't have hasn't been told what side it should be. So I'm going to go from here to there, and I want that to be 10. And this is getting really small, so let's zoom in. And then from here to there, I want that to be 10. Yay! Alright, and how do I bring... Oh wow, this is painful. How do I make things happen? Anyway, Q. Select the face. Check from a different angle. Why is this top? Surely I'm out of sketch now. No? Sketches. Am I still in sketch? Model. Where's the front? Take me home. There we go. Front. Here's this. Oh, it's also inverted. That's not what I like. Q, which is push pull. Grab this. We're going to go up 10 millimeters. Boom! I made it! That took a lot longer than I wanted it to, but there it is. So this here, bodies, is this body here. So this here is 10 millimeter cube. Way! Now, I still don't understand what this is. And I can select it all, but I'm used to the right click navigation of Rhino, and this is making it really hard for me because I'm retraining my brain to move with the middle, and that's costing me quite a bit. Anyway, so that's cube done. Let's save this, open a new file, and let's make the mug. Actually, let's not even save it. Let's just go here into bodies. Apparently there should be a way of making right click on here, on there, on origin, on bodies. I don't know what I'm doing. So yeah, that's how new I am to this. I haven't put in anything to this. I know that I need to create another component. So if I select this body and say, wait, can I right click? Repeat new component. Let's just go here, new component, call this component mug, and turn off that. We're in here, which has a new origin. Why did that not give me the name that I wanted it to? Why is there two components and two origins? Screw this. Let's just go new design. Start from scratch. So let's create a component. Apparently that's good workflow. And component name, mug. Click OK. Mug has been made. Brilliant. Origin. Show me the origin. Here's that. Right click on there. No, is it left click then right click? Create sketch. So let's actually make a proper mug. Let's go and grab a mug and recreate that mug. Okay, it's not my most visible mug, but I have this glass mug. So let's go ahead and measure the diameter of the bottom here, which is a lovely, ooh, without breaking it, please. That is 88, so let's go with that. Now apparently it's C for circle. Click that there, put in 88. That's, if I hit shift, no, that doesn't do anything. So that's a circle. Circle made, brilliant. Now I am going to, that should just be like extrude up, right? So if I hit Q, click on this. Let's measure the height of this mug, which is 84.5. 84.5. All right. Brilliant. However, I've got to change. Wait, how do I do that? I have no idea how I do that. Can I go here, right click, edit? Edit feature. That doesn't give me what I want, does it? But what if I... If I click this, and I give this a D for distance? No. Oh, how do I do first hurdle? Learning how to edit this feature, I think it's called, so that it changes to a diameter of 103.5. 103.5. What? Am I just being really silly here? Probably are. Extrude, offset plane, edit feature, edit profile sketch, edit feature. Surely it should be this here. Profile, taper angle, extrude information, new body operation, distance, project, because that's got that there. I shouldn't have done that. What I should do, which I'm still understanding this here. So if I go, wait, exit that. Go undo, go back to here. Now, if I do an O, offset, click that, it's not what I want. If I make another circle, can I know how I would go from big to small. How would I go from small to big? Would it be just the same? Let's see. Let's see if it's just the same. So I think it would be just the same, wouldn't it? You've got to go back into model mode. Modeling. I select this. I go... No. Get out of there. Go to home. So that I have this here. Then in this sketch, no, not sketch, click here, right click, sketch, stop sketch, right click, edit sketch. So this is a sketch. But wow, I'm really struggling with understanding this concept, because I haven't had to do anything tapering wise yet, which is really silly to think of that. So if I go here, modify, the height is, what is it? Let's just go with 85. 85 height. Got it. Then middle click, modify, fillet rule, chamfer, scale? No. Pull press, fillet. This is not what I'm wanting. So there's not like a transform, so to speak. But I could go here, creates, edit feature, which still doesn't give me what I want, because I don't know what I'm doing. Taper angle, what does this do? Let's put this up to 45, see what happens. Okay. So, we know it's the taper angle that I'm wanting. But what if I didn't have the taper angle? Could I do a revolve instead for this? I am so confused. Anyway, I have my little angle finding tool here, and I'm going to go and find the angle of this mug, which is 96.2. That's not what we want in the slightest, because that would be 96.2 divided by take away 45, right, and it's 6.2 minus the 45, which would give us 51. $51.2. Does that make? That is not what I want. Why did I say put minus 45? No, it's minus 90. That's 6.2 degrees. 6.2 degrees. Okay, 6.2 degrees. New one, which is going to be create a sketch using that. We're going to just find the edge of this instead. Right? Which is 3.6. Do an offset from here, minus 3.6. I think that's it. Why is that not? Why will it not accept that? Offset position, minus 3.6. No? $3.6. That was really strange. So from that minus 3.6, I now can go Q. Oh, whoa, what's going on here? Let's exit that, go back to the home position, I have this, go Q, click on there. I want to make this to object. Ooh, to object, click. Oh man, that's there, to there. Make that what does it look like? It looks like that is, let's just go for 10. And offset that by 10. I am so confused how it's calculated that. How did that make that? And this is not the size I want it either, because that's huge. So let's undo that. We have this face. Go click on a Q. Go here, one-sided, to object. We want it to be to here, but we want the distance of that to be 10 millimeters away from it. Would be minus 10? Minus 10 is that way, but 10 millimeters that way. But that's an offset of that line, which is not what I want. Huh. Well, this is really hurting my brain. So, 23 minutes in and I'm still not grabbing how to make this mug. I'm showing you that even somebody that has done a little bit of 3D in the past, it can be a real struggle at times. I'm not understanding why when I hit an offset of 10 it gives me an offset of 10 up there. Maybe that is an offset of your cut. What I'm just wanting is an object distance to object, which is to the bottom of that, and to that surface I want a taper angle of, what was it, 6.3? Minus 6.3. Minus 6.3. And then from here, how do I tell it to go to that face minus 10? Is it that simple? Will that give me what I want? No. I'm being... Because that's the whole point of parametric, is being able to make this so if I scale that, it's going to stay at that distance from there. Oh man, why can't I find this? Give me one moment, because they were in that one of the tutorials that I was looking at. It did have how to do this. And I cannot believe that I've already forgotten how to do that. Oh, by the way, shout out to, what's his name? Lars Christian, this guy here. Brilliant tutorials on the very, very fundamental beginnings of the Fusion 360 environment. So just gonna skip right to where he shows how he does that distance. See, I was doing it right, but for some strange reason here, from what he's got on there, he shows here -4 for his. Don't understand. It's just worked, so let's put the minus. What was it that I had here? 10 that I wanted to do. Don't understand, but it's worked. Let's hit enter. Enter. No. Is it not enter? OK. Why can't I hit an OK? Operation cut. What have I just done? I can't seem. Wait, it has worked? Inspect section analysis. Seems to have worked. Looks like it has, so. Okay. Handle. So, I take it we've got to go use our, so we've got our front axis there. Let's use our XZ. God, this moving is here. Right click, create sketch. So this is our handle. Let's go. How are we gonna do this? I have no idea. Let's just should we just create a line, or shall we? This hurts. This really hurts. Okay. From here, let's just go for it. Let's create a very angular handle using lines. And then from there, we shall make something. So let's go for there, something there, something around there, there to there. Sorry, the camera stops recording every 30 minutes, so you missed a little bit. I am trying to figure out what's going on here with these perpendicular lines, with what I'm trying to make here, which is really not working out in my best interest. So if I don't know what those are, what I want to be perpendicular is you and you. That's more like it. So that's perpendicular, that's like that, and then all I know is that I want this distance here to be much less. Distance from there to there to only be it's actually to be more. Really? I don't like that. Let's just go with that. Okay, so we've almost locked down? Not really. Da 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 da. I like the look of that. I don't know. Because that distance there has to be 55. Let's put in a distance from you to you. Or 50, well, that's pretty much it there, isn't it? 55, and then we've got the distance somewhere. Guesstimating, let's go 35 again. From here to there is 35. Still not locked though, because we don't have the distance from this point to that point. Oh, now it lets me? I want that to be 10. That's not what I want. Okay, construction line. You're actually just making my life harder. And that construction line's not where I want it to be. God frickin' damn it, how do I do this? If I grab you, I want that there. Then I want to put a distance. Let's change things up. Distance from there to there. There to there. Why won't you let me do that distance? Now you let me do that distance. And that distance there is going to be 2. So let's go for 20 millimeters. And that breaks everything. God damn it. That means there is a distance here that is not defined, thus breaking everything. So let's define another distance, which is this distance to that distance, which I'm going to stick with that there. And now I should be able to do another distance, which I'm still putting distances all over the place, which is going to be this distance to that distance should be, I don't know, will over constrain the sketch. Okay. I have no idea what over constrain is. What's these purple points? Why am I having purple points? I don't understand those purple points. somehow I have locked it to that. Oh wow, I'm really struggling here. Really struggling. Because why do I have 3 sketches here? Why is this a sketch? That's a sketch. What is all these sketches that I have? Should only have 1 sketch. Okay, let's start from scratch, please. What is that line? No idea. What is that line? That's another Go away. Let's undo everything until we didn't add those lines. So we have that there. Back to here. And let's clicking that sketch. Can't I just go here, edit sketch? Because you're still in the sketch. You never left the sketch. You never left the sketch. Okay, so, however, now there is a way of doing distance. From here, that distance, I want that distance to be 10. Okay. Alright. That works for me. And then I want you select other geometry. Now if I create a line from here to there, that is a construction line. Now can I go no. The wrong thing moved. But I can surely go distance. That not work? No. God damn it. What am I doing wrong? Why can't I just have that? I don't understand how I can just bring that to that there. I have a feeling I just need to just add distances to the yin-yang to lock everything down. Nope, go away. What was another one that seemed to be moving when I moved this? That one? This one. Okay, distance from you to you is that. Yeah, that's what I want you to be. Okay, there's another distance here. Distance from you to you is that. That's what I want you to be. And now that point's moving. Okay, so distance from you to you is that. Now all these parts are moving. Distance from you to you is that. Ha! Ha 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 ha. Can't move now, can you? Alright. Now, how do I stick this to that there? No idea. I have no idea. I have a feeling that I'm doing this wrong because I'm thinking of modeling how I would do this in Rhino, which would be making a line and then doing an extrusion along that line. But here I've got this, and what I'm going to be doing is extruding this. Oh, I've done this wrong. I've done this really wrong. Okay. I think I know where I've gone wrong with this. So, let's move you back over there just for now. Delete that. Let's make a line. I want to use this construction line, but I want it to be 10 millimeters down. Is there a way that I can make this construction line just 10 millimeters or not? I don't think so. So let's leave that there. Make a line. Start it on here. I'm going to make a second construction line actually. From here down along there of 10 millimeters. Because then at least I know that that there is 10 millimeters and I don't need to worry about that. Then I want to make another construction line from here down to there of 55 millimeters. And now I want to delete that. I want to delete this line. I'm going to delete, wait, what line did I just delete there? I don't know what I just deleted. All I know is that I don't need these construction, no, I need that construction line, but I don't need that construction line. There's another construction line here. Don't know what that is. Let's just leave that there because I don't know what it is. So, we know it's 55, we know that's down. Hold on, that's not right. Okay, let's just do it. Line. Turn that off. This is an actual line now. We're gonna make this line from here. I don't know. I really don't know. Let's just go there. To there. To there. To there. To there. To there. No. To there. Okay, that is now closed. Perfect. Next up, I want to add some rules. They're called rules? They're not called rules. What's this? What's this perpendicular to? I don't know. And what's that? No idea. So now I would like to add a height from there to there of 5. I would like to add a distance from here to there of 35. Okay. I would then like to add a distance from here to there of 25. And then the last distance is a distance from here to there, which is a 31. Let's go 31. And that breaks everything. Alright. Oh, because there's already a 34 there. This one needs to not have that parallel rule. But I need to have... Can I make you perpendicular to that? No. I can move you. Yes. I can move you. No, not like that. Why can't I move you? Because that's the height that's set, Jonathan. This is a whole new way of thinking for me. And it hurts. It really hurts. Anyway, let's go with that. Let's delete that. How do I delete this? Can't I delete this sketch? Delete. Why can't I delete this? I have to delete all the rules. And now I don't know why I can't delete that. Well done, Jonathan. Well done. Let's put that over there. I don't know what's going on here. That's a distance that you've got there, Jonathan. Okay, that works for me, but I don't know why I can't delete this. This is really annoying. Hold, delete, repeat, delete, delete. Don't know why it didn't delete the first time, but it's deleted this time. Oh, we're coming close to a minute. Come on. A minute? An hour. I have to finish this. I have to finish this mug. We're getting there. So, from here, what am I doing? I am extruding? No, offsetting. I'm going to create an offset of this. No, I'm going to... I can't fill it? Can I fill it? I'd love to fill it. Am I allowed to fill it sketches? No, you cannot. That is really I can fill it. You. Okay, this is not going to work how I want it to be. So, let's go sketch, fillet. We're filleting you. 5. 5? No. I don't know. Let's do it by eye. Fillet that guy. Fillet that. Really fillet that one. Oh, I cannot fillet that too far. Undo what I've just done. Sketch. Fillet. Yeah, okay. I'm happy with that. Oi! Why did you do that? Fillet. You. Okay. Constraints and or dimensions removed during operation. Okay, no idea what that is, but let's carry on. Now with you, let's do an offset from this line. Let's do an offset in. In? No, it should be an offset out. No, it should be an offset in. And what's the thickness of our mug handle? That's 6.2, 6.2. That is a mug handle. Now let's go here, let's select this. And what is happening here? I can extrude that, yes I can, but I want to extrude it two-side extrusion, and in total this is 50, no, it is 16, so let's quickly, I feel like I'm on time limit here. Let's go 8 each way. Hey, that's not what I wanted you to do. Give me my extrusion. Go back. Undo. Ah, crap. Q. Brilliant. U. Yes. Yes. Symmetrical. Yes. 8. Okay. Brilliant. Ugly, but brilliant. Let's go here. Let's do another sketch. Wait, no, before I do that extrude, I should do another sketch on that area there. No, I should edit that. How do I edit that sketch? Oh God. Because that's moving all of this. All I want to do is create a line from here to there. Can I just make a line? Can I make a line from here to... I can. That's pretty intuitive. I'll give it that much. Now I'm going to hit Q. Now I can select just this. Now I can go 8. Almost. Q. Here. Symmetrical. 8. Brilliant. But now I need to take a look from this way because that's going to have that out. So I need to U. I need to is it Q? Can I Q U? Let's just Q U out a little. Like that. Oh, 2 millimeters. 2 millimeters is too far. So let's go back 1 millimeter. Perfect. I'm gonna call that perfect for now. Then I'm gonna go and do this one here because I have no idea what I'm doing. U or Q, go that way. I've just done a botched job of this, haven't I just? And now, just because we're getting to our limits, let's add fillets everywhere. You can't just select, I have to select everything individually. Okay. That I'm also not used to, but so let's fillet that. Can I not do more? 1, 5, nope, 4, nope, 3, Okay, that works for me. That's a nice fillet. That looks like that. I'm happy. Next up is filleting our rim. So let's give that a 2mm fillet. Yeah. And then we've got our bottom filleting here. This is actually quite a fillet. This is about 5. 5? No, I would say that's more of a 7. No, 7 too much. 6. Let's go 6. 6 works for me. And then last but not least, how do I fillet these connections? Is that, can I? No. Oh, I love that. I do like. That's pretty cool. Oh, but it's done it the wrong way around. Okay. Because that's given me that action instead. Fillet. Let's just hit 1. Wait, that's not a fillet, is it? That's I don't know. But let's just see if it can do anything there. Screw it. Let's just leave it at that for now. But I think that there is going to be enough for now. Well, there you guys have it. That there is my first hour of Fusion 360. It was pretty painful and I still don't quite know what I'm doing, but thanks for tagging along and thanks for getting this far. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down, and let me know down in the comments below what you suggest I should do to learn Fusion 360 the fastest possible way. So next week I will be giving a 1 week with Fusion 360, and then past that there'll be one for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and 1 year. And then let's see what comes up from that. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and let the quest continue.